Hello, students. This is the 14th chapter, remaining two exercises, 14.3 and 14.4. In this exercise also, we will see some of the parts from each of the questions. Okay, so let's take the first question. Answer first from the exercise 14.3 is you have to divide in all these questions, right? So the procedure to divide is because we are only dividing the monomials. If we say the expression, they are the monomials. So we can do it normally like 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. So we can just write that 28 and 56 numericals first 1 by 2. And then x4 and x, I can see that it will be x cube. We can apply the laws of exponents here as well, like x4 divided by x will be x4 minus 1, which is x cube. Or you can do it like 1 by 2. You can write into x, into x, into x, into x, and remaining into x like this, and then cut down, and then answer will be 1 by 2 x cube. So you can do both ways. Okay, let's take the last part, fifth. 12a8 b8 divided by minus 6a to the power 6 b to the power 4. Now again we will first divide the numericals, which is minus 2. Now this is a to the power 8 divided by a to the power 6, which will be a to the power 2 into b to the power 4, because it is 8 minus 4, which is 4. This is the first question, very simple division. In the second question, we have the polynomial by monomial. So we can do it like this also, that we have done it. 5x square minus 6x by 3x. For this, when we split, it will be 5x square by 3x minus 6x divided by 3x, which will further give us 5 by 3x minus 2x, right? So you can either do it like this or you can do it in the division form, or we can take the common factors out of this, like we can do, instead of this, what we can do is we can take x outside, out of the numerator. Inside it will be 5x minus 6 divided by 3x, which will give us 5x minus 6 by 3. This is the answer. Okay, you can do it like this also. Coming to the any other, let's say answer 2, this was the first part. Let's take the third part in the answer 2. The answer 2 third part is 8x cube y square z square plus x cube y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divided by 4x square y square z square. We can take similarly here the common parts. 8 is already outside. From all these, we can take x square, y square, z square outside. And remaining it will be x, y, x only, because y square, z square is outside, plus x, y here, plus z here. Just a minute, it is x square now. So it is only y. Divided by 4x square, y square, z square. So it will give you now the question as, it is 2 and this whole cutting 2x plus y plus z. This is how you can do the third question by taking commons out. Coming to the fourth question. The answer fourth. In these all types of questions, we are doing it by monomial, so we can directly do it. We do not need the division like we used to do it in this. You can just do it by the normal division. So it is 5 2x plus 1. You can do the factorization and then do the division. Divided by 2x plus 1. So we can see, because 2x plus 1 is cutting down. So it is 5 3x plus 5 only. Similarly, in this, it is cutting down. So it can be, and this is 2, this is x. So it is y x plus 5 only. Similarly, in this, we can see q plus r plus p is cutting down. And this will be PQ, and 52 by 4, 104, like that. So this is very simple, I think, for you all. Coming to the answer fifth. Now, answer fifth requires you have to first factorize it by any of the identities. Like in the first, we can see y square plus 7y plus 10 is the numerator divided by y plus 5. So we have to first factorize it. We can factorize it as plus 5y plus 2y by middle term splitting divided by y plus 5 remaining as this. It is y plus 5 plus 2 y plus 5 divided by y plus 5. So it is y plus 5 in the bracket, then y plus 2 whole divided by y plus 5. So it is cutting down, and y plus 2 is the answer. Similarly, let's take the seventh part, which is 39 y cube 50 y square minus 98 divided by 26 y square 5y plus 7. Right? Now let's take this as the we can see that 50y square, let's keep it as 39y cube. 50y square can be written as, let me just draw a line of boundary for this. Now 50y square minus 98, you can write it as 2 common with 25y square minus 49, right? Divided by 26y square 5y plus 7. We can write it as 39y cube as it is. This is 5y whole square minus 7 square divided by 26y square 5y plus 7. Now it will give you, if I say, further it will give you 39y cube as it is. This is a square minus b square. So 5y plus 7 and 5y minus 7 divided by 26y square 5y plus 7. This is all cutting down. Final answer, and this I can also cut down by 13 2s are 13 3s are, and this with this. So it is 3y 5y minus 7 by 2. This is the final answer. Okay. Oh yes, here I have 1 2 as well. So this will also get cut down. So it is 3y 5y minus 7. Okay. This 2 I forgot, but say here writing it down, which is being multiplied by whole bracket. Understood this? This is how we will do the 14.3 exercise. Now exercise 14.4, answer 1. In this you have to do find and correct the errors you have to find, right? So it is 4x minus 5 is equals to 4x minus 5, it is written. But is it correct? If I say the LHS, which is 4x minus 5, when we open the bracket, it will be 4x minus 20. But RHS is saying 4x minus 5. So the correct will be that 4x minus 5 is equals to 4x minus 20. So basically it is not equal. Similarly for the second, it is 3x square plus 2x should be here. Now in this 2x plus 3y, it is not correct because these are not like terms, so it will be only like this. If I say this x plus 2x plus 3x, it will be 6x. If I say in this 5y plus 2y plus y will be equals to y, not 0, because 7y and this are cutting, but y is also remaining. So it should be y here. If I say this 3x plus 2x is 5x, not 5x square. If I say this, it should be 2x, 4x square, because this should become as 2x whole square it is. So it will be 4x square plus 8x plus 7. If I say 8, it will be 4x square plus 5x, which is not this. And if I say this, it will be 9x square, because it would be 3x whole square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2 into 3. So it would be 12x here. This is the errors and the corrections we have done. Now, in the 10th question, you just have to substitute x is equals to minus 3 in all the parts. If I say answer 10, A part, x square plus 5x plus 4 gives minus 3. Okay, it is also doing it here. We have to just find the errors. It is minus 3 whole square, right? Plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4, which is 9 plus 2. No, it would be plus 10 here plus 4. So the answer should be 23. Similarly, in this, it would be minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4, which is 9. Minus, no, it should be plus 15 plus 4, which is again 15 plus 4, 19 plus 9 is 27. This is x square plus 5x. So minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3, which is minus 9 minus 15. It is not minus 9. Anything square is plus number only. So 9 minus 15 is minus 4. Now in this, y minus 3 whole square is y square plus 9 minus 6y. Z plus 5 whole square is z square plus 25 plus 10z. 2a plus 3b into a minus b. You have to do this. When you do multiply this, it will not be this. If I do answer number 13, it would be 2a plus 3b into a minus b, which will be 2a multiplied by a minus b plus 3b multiplied by a minus b. So 2a square minus 2b plus 3ab minus 3b square. And it is saying this, so which is wrong. 2a square minus 3b square. It should be this also. Similarly, all other parts you can see it will be 1. You can see for the 17th, 3x square plus 1 by 3x square, which is 1. Because if I see 3x square by 3x square plus 1 by 3x square, which will be 1 plus 1 by 3x square, not 1 plus 1 only. If this is so, 3x by 3x plus 2, this is not so, because it cannot be further. LCM nahi liya hai. We have only done 3x by 3x plus 2, which cannot be further solved like this. Similarly, all other things will be like this. 7x plus 5 will be 7x plus by 5 plus 1. By 5 plus 1. It would be 1 plus 5 by 4x. Okay. So this is all about the exercise 14.3, in which you only have to find the errors. I hope you have understood this. This is about the chapter 14 NCERT solutions. Do practice it more and more, and all the best for your exams.